Our mission in the Yeshiva of Flatbush is to empower, educate, and inspire our students to greatness. We offer our students a rigorous dual curriculum, one that emphasizes excellence in both secular and Judaic studies. We want our students to graduate with a commitment to Torat Yisrael, Am Yisrael, Medinat Yisrael, with a deep concern for humanity and the world at large.
The Flatbush mission represents what I think the best of American Jewry should really aspire to be, which is proud, practicing Jews, but also at the same time to be productive members of society at large.
I considered 2 different schools, and what really convinced me to come to Flatbush was I just saw so many of the seniors and the people who went to the school. They were so happy that they were here.
Flatbush has always been about inspiring students, pushing them beyond their comfort zone, getting them to explore.
Flatbush is really an all-around school. It's academically strong, it's religiously strong.
There's a high-working expectancy here. It's not just academic. It's the ability to say, I can change the world.
For me, Flatbush is academically challenging, but it's really what you need in life for college and for your future.
What I got out of the class was so much more than just a math class. I got lessons in life.
One of the greatest things about Flatbush is the teachers care about your success, teaching you things that are going to be valuable in life.
Our responsibility is to push kids to the best versions of themselves.
Teachers are really there not only to teach you, but to help you learn and grow. They're going to help you be able to teach yourself, because after high school, you're on your own.
The teacher wants the best for you and take out of it not just knowledge, but an experience.
All the teachers, they make you want to come, they make you want to learn, and I just want to come here and learn every single day.
I'm trying to get my students to be creative, independent, analytical thinkers, be ready for work, ready for college.
In the college world, I could tell the Flatbush graduates from the non-Flatbush graduates.
I saw all the extracurriculars that they had, and it was such a big variety of things that I could choose from compared to other schools.
Our school has over 40 different sport teams, and being part of a team is a lot of fun because you get to be a part of something bigger than yourself.
If you find an interest or something that you want to explore, you can start your own commission.
Pathfinders really allows you to explore any career that you're interested in, or even new careers that you don't even know about yet. There are speakers and trips.
We want students to strive for excellence. We want you to excel and exceed in Torah. The same goes true for your secular studies. Each one is going to inform the other. Each one is going to make the other one better.
I love learning Torah, exploring and learning about our history, and you're also learning how to implement all these good values and morals.
There is a lot of connection between former students and the rabbis or the teachers that they had from before.
The reason why I come back to Flatbush is that the rabbis are really so in touch with me, and they really try to help me succeed, and they want to see me be better as a Jew and as a person.
I love the Hebrew studies in Flatbush. Flatbush makes it very exciting. The Judaic studies here is great. Everyone is so encouraged to ask questions, and that's what I really love.
That's really what being Jewish is about. It's being a good person, having good values, good morals, and always wanting to help people.
We are taking our trip to Israel. It's called the Chesed Mission to Israel, doing Chesed from morning till night, visiting hospitals, visiting children's homes.
The Yeshiva of Flatbush has produced graduates that have gone on to the upper echelons of society. In the course of my personal life and my business life, I often come across extraordinary people, and I find out that they're actually Yeshiva of Flatbush graduates.
Flatbush is not only probably the best Jewish day school in the country, but it's a community school. Flatbush has responded to the coronavirus and it has made sure to balance the health and safety of our kids and our families and the staff and faculty.
They converted us onto Zoom very quickly, and it was like a smooth transition.
We geared up very quickly to get our teachers trained, make sure our technology was ready to go.
We had to make the relevant investments in our cleaning, in our classrooms. We put in individual plastic barriers in between each student.
We were determined that everybody should feel that Flatbush spirit throughout their day.
The goal was to keep people connected. We were just applying additional tools upon the bedrock of really great teaching and learning that was already going on.
What we are trying to do with our students is to come out as good people, compassionate, learning how to learn.
It's a great place for families who want to educate the next generation of Jewish leaders and thinkers who are active in their communities, both Jewish and outside the Jewish world as well.
What makes Flatbush special is the relationships that you come out of. Your relationship with Hashem, your relationship with the teachers and rabbis, and your relationship with your friends.
Flatbush keeps the environment fun and loving, and I really love school.
That sense of respect and a sense of self-accomplishment is something that's really encouraged. You're given all the resources to become as accomplished as your dreams and anything you can ever think of.
I really think you should come to Flatbush. It's so great here. You would really love it. The atmosphere is fun. There's always events you can go to, community, and the teachers are also helpful. You really feel like you're cared about. This is going to be your next 4 years of your life, and you really won't regret it. It will be a great experience.